Setting up a new Galaxy Watch? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Galaxy Watch to any Samsung Galaxy phone. Fast, easy, and without missing a single step. First, make sure to install the Galaxy Wearable app to your Samsung phone. You can download it from Galaxy Store. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to your Galaxy device. Tap Start button to your phone. You can check the number on your watch pop up to your Samsung phone and Galaxy Watch device. Tap Confirm to Next. Now, downloading software to your Samsung phone. Allow the permission to set up Galaxy Watch and tap Continue. Allow your Galaxy Watch to access all data like notifications, phone, call logs, SMS, contacts, etc. Tap Allow in the bottom right corner. You can take a few minutes to connect your Galaxy Watch to your phone. Sign in with your Google account. Tap on I agree. Connect your Samsung phone to your Galaxy Watch. Tap Next. Wait for a few minutes. Select which app will install to your Samsung Watch. Tap Skip or Continue you want. Tap on Next button. Tap Allow. Again, tap Allow. Choose your watch wearing preferences for left or right wrist and button position. Tap Next. Follow the on-screen instruction until you see Finishing Setup Galaxy Watch. You can see the message, You're all set. Now, see your Galaxy Watch name to your Samsung phone. It's quite easy to set up Galaxy Watch on your Samsung phone. And that's all.